Namaste, this is Rupi Raja and today I will give the IPO review for Wagons Learning. Talking about the company, this company offers training and certification, digital learning solutions, skill development program, trainer outsourcing and payroll management services. It specializes in domains such as sales training, customer service, soft skills, behavior training and industry specific functional training, serving sectors like automotive, banking and financial services, pharmaceuticals and healthcare. Talking about the IPO details, the issue type is book build offering. Issue size is 13.38 crore, wherein the fresh issue of 25.26 crore is there. An offer for sale of 13.12 crore is there. The price band is 78 to 82 rupees per share, and the lot size is 1600 shares minimum. So the minimum investment of the retail investor will be between 1,24,800 to 1,31,200. Issue dates: open date will be on May 2, 2025, and the close date is May 6, 2025, and the allotment day will be after that date, and the listing date will be on May 9, 2025, and it will list on the NSE Emerge SME platform. Talking about the share reservation and objectives, the QIB investors or the qualified institutional buyers have a share reservation of 12%, non-institutional investors have a share of 38%, and retail investors have a share of 50%. Objective of the issue includes 7.5 crore for working capital requirements, 4.5 crore for prepayment repayment of outstanding borrowings, and 26.38 crore for general corporate purposes. Talking about the financial performance, you can suddenly see that in financial year 2022 and 2023 there was no profit, and suddenly in 2024 the profit surged to 5.52 crore. So this is not at all good. So in my opinion, you should not even think of applying in this IPO. My personal opinion, you should avoid this NFO because the balance sheet manipulation has been done to bump up profits and get an aggressive valuation for the IPO. There is no valuation comfort, and I will avoid this IPO. I don't look at the gray market premium because I want to invest for the long term. I never look to book profits after listing of a IPO. Do not invest your money in anything if there is high chance of loss of the investment capital. This IPO is a risky investment and you should avoid it. If you're a long term investor, you should skip this IPO, and if you're a short term investor, you should also skip this IPO because it is not at all attractive for short term trading. So that's all for today's IPO review. I encourage you to dive into the red herring prospectus, monitor subscription trends, and comment your opinion if this IPO aligns with your investment goals. Stay informed, invest wisely, and I will see you in the next video for more market insights. If you want to book any consultation related to investment, mutual fund advice, or stock advice, honestly, do not worry. If you have any queries, just type your questions in detail in the comment section. Before answering your queries, I will check if you have liked the video, clicked on the subscribe button, and if both are done, I will make a video responding to my subscribers' query. If a query is very small, then I will try to reply them in the comment section itself. As of now, this service will be free of cost. So that's all for today's IPO review. Hope you like this video. Thank you. This is Rupi Raja.